Hey WalletHubbers! Today we're talking about how to get car insurance online. Fortunately, getting car insurance online is easier than ever. To purchase a policy online, you can simply pick a company that offers online services, pay your premium, and you'll be covered. But if you want the best results, there are 5 steps to take when getting car insurance online. Let's go over them now. First, you need to find an insurance company that allows you to purchase a policy online without having to speak to an agent on the phone or in person. Many major insurance companies are known for emphasizing online services. However, other companies prefer to prioritize agent-customer relationships. Next, gather the information you'll need to get car insurance quotes. For example, this will include info about your driving record and the make, model, and year of the cars you want to include on the policy. After that, research the coverage levels that are right for your needs. Almost every state requires a minimum level of coverage. Beyond that, you can decide what types of coverage you need, how high your coverage limit should be, and how much your deductible should be. Once you know what coverage you need, you should get and compare quotes from at least 3 different insurance companies. Typically, this can be done online. Finally, pick a company and pay your premium. You're covered as soon as you pay. You should receive proof of insurance from your chosen company by email, through the mail, or by logging into your account online. Now that you know a little more about how to get car insurance online, it may be time to shop for a policy. You can check out WalletHub's picks for the best car insurance companies by clicking the button here.